G'day guys, Dan here. Today I'm going to show you how simple and quick it is to put one of our new fire pits together. To start off with, grab the first piece, make sure that the DK logo is facing out so you can actually read it. Now you don't have to worry about if there's a 1, 2, 3 or 4 or if they're different. All the pieces are identical. So once you have that facing up, you grab your next piece and simply slide it over on top of the other one, like so. Then you rotate it around and just do the same thing. Slide it in and lower it down. As you can see now, the 3 plates are self-supporting. Now this 4th one will require a little bit of jiggling, but it's the same emphasis. Put it around, slide the top in first, like so, then lift up the actual first plate and slide it into position, and then lower everything down into position. Make sure everything is interlocking perfectly, that there's no gaps anywhere, like so. And it's easy as that. Enjoy your next fire. Cheers guys.